Israel is once again at war. Iran has launched hundreds of ballistic missiles and drones towards Israel, mainly targeting civilians. For nearly 5 decades, the extreme Shiite Muslim regime of Iran has vowed to destroy Israel and America as their main Allah-given mandate. Now more than ever, we need to stand and pray for the Middle East, and that the Prince of Peace would reign in the hearts of its people. Through your support, our team has stood in the gap to provide critical aid to the victims of war and terror. Gathering resources and mobilizing aid packages, we've purchased life-saving intensive care ambulances and bomb shelters for the communities in need. But here is the critical factor. All of this was done by Messianic Jews in the land of Israel in the name of our Messiah Yeshua. We invite you to stand with us and show our people the love of the Messiah. Join us today in prayer and support. Show Israel and the world that you are one for Israel.